everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a part of a challenge called Let's Go Apple Picking. It's hosted by the Crafty Quinn and the co-host is Rebecca Virginia DIY. The links to both of their channels and the playlist will be in the description box, so please be sure to visit those links after you watch the video. Okay, so since the theme of this challenge is apple picking, I decided to make a faux apple pie because even though I grew up north, my family is from the south, and so if you have some fresh apples, then you're gonna make some pie. I don't know if this is southern, northern, or everywhere, but yeah, if you have fresh apples, we're gonna make ourselves some pie. So that was my first thought, to make a faux apple pie for decor. And it didn't turn out like I thought it would, but I am still happy with how it turned out. And after you see the finished product, I think it looks really good for fall decor, but I think also I'm gonna actually end up giving this to my nephew. My nephew really loves playing with faux food, and he's just probably gonna be a master chef one day, so I'm gonna give him this as like a faux apple pie to play with. Also, earlier you saw me with the purple felt in the beginning, and I actually didn't end up using that because it just didn't work out as planned. I wanted to paint it and that didn't work out, so that's why I ended up with the burlap ribbon instead of the purple felt. And then just to finish it off, I just wrapped rope around the edge, and this is what it looks like. For this next DIY, I actually failed miserably on this. At least that's what I think. I think it turned out okay, but I got impatient with this part right here where you have to cut the apple out of the book. This is actually inspired by something I saw on Pinterest. It's probably really, really old, but I thought it was cute and I wanted to try it. So I got this random book and then started chopping it up. And that's when I got impatient with the scissors. So it didn't turn out even on all sides. It's not a bad looking apple, but I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. How did I do on this? The last DIY is actually my favorite. I don't want to give too much away, but you could probably guess what I'm making already. And I actually really love the way this one turned out. On this channel, I do DIY, home decor, home improvement projects. I share some design inspiration and things of that nature. So if you're interested in that type of content, then please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you like to support my channel and come along this journey with me. Also, make sure that when you're done watching this video that you check the links in the description so you can see the playlist and see what everyone else made for this challenge. I can't wait to see what everybody else made. But thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.